Hey you, continue watching this video if you would like to see in detail how I do this beautiful soft locks. Now these are the hair that I use, the Ghana twist. It's called Twisted Up Bulk, and also this is the lock that I use. It is called Passion Locks, and they are just lovely. So first I've just shampoo and blowed my client's hair, and now I'm just going into sectioning just to get started. So I've made my section, and now I'm going in with some shine and jam. It's the only thing I use. Love it. And I'm not using too much, I'm just using enough to put on my client's hair, not scalp. Okay, a friendly reminder, you guys, you don't have to be putting the jam onto this client's scalp to part it properly or to part it straight. You can part straight without the ton load of jam on the client's scalp. It's not healthy for your client, so try not to. Just try to get it onto the hair. You see, so I've just put the jam onto the hair, and then I part, and my part is still nice and straight. And all I'm doing here is just to pre-section my sections, and that's it. Make sure that my placements are right, and that's all. You guys, my client was just showing me a picture of what her hair looks like when we did it the last time. She absolutely loved it. So what I'm doing right now is just to go in with some plaits. That's it. I'm just plaiting the hair down. Yeah, so she was there anticipating and reminiscing on her hairdo the last time we did it. Now, this girl, she is one of my favorites. I'm gonna have to say she is really a real one. So guys, as you can see, I'm just making section and going in as I need to with my parts, touching up. And as you can see, you guys, I'm not plaiting the hair straight out to the very tip. You don't have to do that. You can, plait it far enough, but leave the ends, out. I mean, you can decide, but if you plait it like extremely to the ends, you kind of would be wasting time. So you don't have to unless you think you want to. Because you guys, at the end of the day, I know I come on here and I show you all, how I do my work and how what I do works for me. But at the same time, when you go to do these styles on your own, you just will take what I am showing you guys. But also, if you find something that works for you, do it, because at the end of the day, you can come up with what works for you as well. And that's how styles are created, that's how techniques are created. So don't be afraid to do something if you feel like you could do it better or you could do it differently. You know what I mean? So if you come up with a way how to do the same thing and it gives you better or the same result, by all means go ahead. I always encourage people to do that, and young stylists to try something. If something comes to your head, if you think about a technique, try it. I mean, it cannot work as well as it can work, so it's worth the try. So whatever, if you're in the process of doing a style and something pop up in your brain, you know, like a light bulb moment, and you say, wonder if I could try this, don't be afraid to say, maybe not, because I've never seen anybody do it like this, or you know, it might not work. Try it, because as I said, it might be the thing that is going to set you apart from everyone else. Okay, so always find your way. And you guys, I'm just, as you can see, I sped up this part because I'm doing the same thing, but I wanted you guys to be a part of this style, so I didn't just cut out all of these. I, you know, giving you all the content so you can enjoy it. And this is what it looks like after I've finished with all her sections. This is it. Can you see how clean and nice the parts are? Yes, you guys, I did not have to put the jam onto her scalp. All right, you guys, remember that the ends of the hair that you didn't plait right out, take some jam and make sure that it is nice and smooth, because you don't want, when you're wrapping your locks, you find that her hair, the ends of her hair is peeking through. You don't want that. So take your time and apply the jam onto the ends of the hair so it can stay together. Now I'm on to the first one. I take the crochet needle, I push it through the loop of the crochet hair, and I push the hair through the crochet hair, and I pull it through, and then I go through the roots of the plait, come back with the end of the hair through the needle and carry that through the root. Then I make like a loop with 3 different lengths going through, and then I kept that together, and then I go for a piece of my twisted up, and not a lot, just that amount. You know, you will know whenever you're doing the style, just a small amount. Then I push that through the roots again, I bring that back through, pull that up through, and then I keep one side, most of the ends on one side, and then I grip some of the hair also and hold the plait together, and then I carry around the twisted up here and push it through my middle and ring finger, and I just carry that through and I work that right down. Continue to carry it around, and when I get to the crochet here, the lock itself, I try to do it wider so it doesn't look as smooth, because the hair itself is not very smooth. Okay, so, and then when I get to the end, I come back up with the hair so it doesn't ravel. So as I carry the hair around to the end, as the hair is about to finish, I'm going to start wrapping upwards so I can create like a form of knot so it doesn't pull out at all. So I'm doing the same thing here, you guys, so pay attention. carry back that through the roots, pull it through. This can determine how long or how short the lock itself will be. So you can, while you're at it, you can just measure it on your client's back to see if you are lining up with the other locks. So I'm grabbing a piece of my twisted up hair and pulling that through. As I said, you guys, don't use too much of the hair, the twisted up hair, because if you do, the lock itself can end up being too big at the roots, and you want it to be small so it's not, you know, giving bulk. And guys, I know you can't tell the difference, but I am actually creating some tension onto how tight I'm pulling the twisted up here, because I want it to be firm enough so I can keep the her hair tucked in the wrap. Okay, so make sure it is, and guys, you see at the end of it, I've get to the end, I'm going down and I'm coming back up because I'm just forming a knot right there, rolling that in my palm, and voila, that is it. Nice and flat. I'm going to speed this part up, you guys, so enjoy the process. And you guys, please don't forget to like this video. When you're watching my videos, please like the video because it is good for the channel. Like the video so YouTube can see that you guys are liking the videos and that, you know, you like the video. So it would be a great thing for you to like the video. Also, if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel and tell a friend to tell a friend. And while you're at it, I am over here making content for you guys. You guys, one tip I want to give you all about this hair. I want to give you a heads up, rather. This type of hairstyle is not meant to keep in for very long. It can actually allow your hair to start locking. So if you try out this hairdo, please, number one, don't pull it out on your own. Number two, make sure that the person who is pulling it out know that they should not cut your hair or cut into the hair because your hair is tangling or tangled under there. So remember that, and also do not keep this in for more than 2 months. 2 months max. I like to say 2 months max, no more than that, because the hair can start to lack. You get me? Guys, when I get passionate, the patois is going to come out somewhere or the other. So forgive me about that lack. Sorry, I meant to say the hair will start to lock, like actual locks, okay? So don't keep this in for too long. I know it's a protective style, and I know that sometimes you just want to, give your hair a break, and you just want to know that you don't have to be doing it all the time, and you just want to keep it. But no, guys, you cannot keep this type of style for very long. Now, you guys, as you can see, I'm done. I am on the last row in the top, and it's looking good if you ask me. Please leave a comment in the comment section to tell me, how do you feel about this hairstyle? Do you like it? Would you ever get it done? Is it, is what you think of it? Because personally I like it, but it's not something that I would wear per se. But I love it for most of my clients who request it. I love it for them. So let me know how you feel about this hairstyle. Listen, when my client here is in my chair, her name is Ava. Whenever she's in my chair, we are going on, like we talk a lot. We just, we just cling, like we are just, we always happy to see each other and to be around each other. So yep, this is the final look, you guys. This is it. I love how flat it is at the roots. I love that about it, and I love that it's not too much hair on her head for it to feel heavy and anything like that, and she absolutely love it. And that's the look, you guys. No, I had just put it into a high bun with those two dropping down. I love it for her. She love it. Oh my god, I'm just doing this voiceover right now, and I am loving it all over again. So leave a comment and let me know if you love it too, or let me know if you would actually rock this style. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you have, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you a lot. That's the final look, you guys. Love it. And thank you so much for watching my video, and take care of yourselves until I see you in my next one. Bye.